everyone, welcome to my digital diary of renting about my life, and that's my friend Sumaya. Jot ami rent kori asilu life to glow je problems ketiyao khatome na hoy, which is never ending, obviously. Whatsoever, the good news is that my PG pura flat role shift kori asu and good foods are on the way. And my friends helped me, Shuktara and Patrick. They helped me in shiftings and all. Tar pasat ma ahile, and I was so happy. It was such a good relief. And then I went out with my friends on that month and then went for dinners. It was so fun. बहुत ভাল লাগিলে গৈ ওলাই মেলি. It was like detoxification আৰু তাৰ পৰা home food ঘৰৰ খানা is একদম চুম্মা. তাৰ পাছত bestie আমি ইমান কাম থাকে, you can see half of the day মই কলেজতে থাকো, so I can barely like post any videos like that. You can see our face of assignments, but I promise you to drop from now onwards.